Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of renewing your driving license when you reach the age of 70. Staying compliant and safe on the road is crucial, and renewing your license ensures that you can continue driving legally. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before you begin the renewal process, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. Generally, you must be a resident of the country where you are renewing your license, and your existing license should not be expired for more than a specified duration. Step 2. Gather required documents. Prepare the necessary documents for your renewal application. This typically includes your current driving license, proof of identity, e.g., passport, utility bill, a completed renewal application form, often available online, a recent passport-sized photograph, if required. Step 3. Complete the application form. You can usually find the application form for license renewal on your local transport authority's website. Fill it out carefully, ensuring all information is accurate and up to date. Step 4. Pay the renewal fee. Check the renewal fee for drivers aged 70 and over. Payment can be made online, by mail, or in person at your local licensing office, depending on your jurisdiction. Step 5. Submit your application. Once you have completed the form and gathered your documents, submit your application. If you're applying online, follow the necessary prompts to upload your documents and make your payment. If you're submitting by mail, ensure you send everything to the correct address. Step 6. Wait for processing. After submission, your application will be processed. This can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on your location. Check your application status online if this option is available. Step 7. Receive your new license. Once your application has been approved, you will receive your renewed driving license by mail, or you may be asked to pick it up in person. Make sure to check that all details are correct on the new license. Step 8. Stay informed about future renewals. Keep track of when your license is set to expire again in the future, and remember that it may be necessary to renew more frequently as you age. Thank you for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you successfully renew your driving license at the age of 70. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information.